law. That's why we are coming here. The next one that really tried to clarify further our rights in this country is the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Particularly, we're talking, this issue of Title VI became very prominent in the struggle that we are going through today. The Title VI federally funded institution and programs are prohibited from discriminating on the basis of race, color, or national origin. And unfortunately, what we are finding today, there are many programs around the country that are doing exactly that. And next, what we further develop are what's referred to generally as FERPA, which is the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, which specifically protects the privacy of student education records. This also allows parents access to student records. What we know today, for example, I'm jumping ahead because you might have some question later and I'll be happy to answer. What we are finding today, for example, that the school started to keep two records for the student. One record that they show the parents and another record that they do not show the parents. And this is a violation of the law. And the next one, FERA, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, excuse me. Protection of pupil right amendments, parents' right to inspect instructional material and requiring parental consent before minors participating in any educational funded survey, analysis, or evaluation that reveal private information. This is something that is today being violated extensively. We know today how parents attending a school board and approaching their school and superintendent and many other entities requesting to view what material is being taught to their children, and the schools are fighting. You probably have heard our movement have filed thousands of them. We filed FOIA's request, Freedom of the Information Act, under the Freedom of Information Act, requesting to have an access to the material that is being taught at school. Many are not collaborating. Many are asking us to pay money in order to access this information. And again, this is a violation of the law, but I guess that what I consider many times, they are waging a war of attrition against the parents. And with regard to the fourth bullet, what's important to realize that our students today in every school are administered survey asking for very, very personal information. For example, 8 years old and 9 years old, I asked them about their sexual partners and how many times they had sex with in the last week. And if they use, I'm talking about the kids in elementary school, starting at elementary school. So they are very private information, also asking a lot of information about the family. All this unbeknown to the parents. Parents did not provide any consent, and this law actually require the schools to receive consent from parents. So currently, I'm going to jump ahead to what happened